Welcome to my pantry. I wanted to show you my garlic. I store it here in this brown paper bag, and this is garlic that I harvested last year. So July 2022, I just harvested my new crop. So how does my garlic survive an entire year? In part, it's due from good storage conditions, but it's also the variety of garlic. I grow soft neck garlic. So the heads and the cloves are smaller. The greens, which are drying nicely, are tender, and so I can braid them. And on the inside, there are more cloves, but they're smaller. They're scattered around the whole head in a willy-nilly kind of fashion. Hardneckgarlic has that tough center stem, and you would see that in the center, and the cloves grow around that center. So there's fewer cloves, but they're usually bigger. Hardneck garlic is also a little bit more hardy, and it grows those scapes that people enjoy early in the summer. The softneck garlic does not grow scapes. The benefits of the softneck garlic is that it stores really well. So I've had this for a year, and it's starting to show some signs of sprouting, but for a year, this is really great. I'm gonna wait for these to dry out just a little bit more, and then I'll have garlic for the year.